he claims that he was able to recreate how the Egyptians made the pyramids. Now, with the documents and with the blueprints, he started experimenting in his own backyard. He built this thing called I think in Florida, but the neighbors, what they said was every single night, they wouldn't see any construction vehicles, nothing like that. What they would hear was whistling. They would hear whistling and almost like a humming noise. So, and as we know, Nikola Tesla, he was huge. And his famous quote was, if you understand the world through frequency and vibration, you'll have the key to the universe. That's what he said. And that's what he was working on. And that's how he was able to build he was building this thing called the Coral Mansion. Coral Castle.